Hi, my name is Alexandra Peterson, and I'm here today to talk to you about a digital tool called iCivics. As an educator in the social science field, one digital tool that I tend to use is called iCivics. It is used to enrich the learning experience of both middle school and high school students in the social science field. iCivics is a free website. Essentially, any student or teacher can sign up, and it'll give you access to valuable resources, primarily games, as well as worksheets and example lesson plans. One game that my students typically play is called Do I Have a Right? And the premise of the game is that the student is in charge of running their own law firm. And so you start off with one or two lawyers, and then over time, as you make more profits, you can then expand your law firm. The purpose is for you to be able to identify a client's case and whether or not they have a potential case based on an amendment violation. So for example, somebody may come in and they may claim that their employer fired them because they were Mormon. And so you have to determine, is that an amendment violation? The answer would be yes. So then you next have to figure out which amendment would it be, which would be the first. Students can play this game, and ultimately you can expand your business, which is very competitive for students, and so they tend to like it because they get to see who is more successful financially. I think it is a great tool because it brings the U.S. Constitution into a real-life experience for students, and it makes it relevant. And overall, I think that the free games, such as Do I Have a Right? On the website iCivics, is very valuable for any kind of history teacher.